akong matakbuhan. Wala akong masandalan. Napapagod din ako. Sana, mas nagtutulungan tayo. Pero kadalasan, wala ka. At kahit naman nandyan ka, pakiramdam ko, ang layo-layo natin sa isa't isa. Kaya minsan, gusto ko na lang lumabas with friends. Kumain, mag-shopping kasama sila. Pero kahit yun, ayaw mong pumayag. I don't want us to keep living like this. I just want to feel like I'm not alone. Like, we're really in this together.
Minsan, mas pinili ko na lang manahimik. Para hindi na lumala ang away. Sometimes I feel like no matter what I say and do, I'm still not enough. I try to carry all my responsibilities. I provide. I show up for kids. I do everything because I love you. But it feels like I'm falling short. Like I'm falling both as a husband and as a father. It's frustrating. Kaya minsan, lumalayo muna. Nagkatago sa car. We go out with friends. Umiinom kami. But don't worry, they are MSC brothers. Yung isa, drummer. Yung isa, pianista. We go out, we play basketball. MSC brothers din naman. Or even online games. Pero alam ko, hindi yun ang sagot. I don't want to lose you. I may not always know how to fix things, but I'm willing to try for you and for our family.
There are days when it feels like my prayers go unanswered. Nagsiserve ako at pilit na nagmamahal. But it feels like nothing bears fruit. Miss ko ang pamilya ko. Pero ang layo naman nila. Gusto ko lang naman silang makita. Makita na mas madalas at mayakap sila. Nakakalungkot, nakakapagod. Napapatanong na lang ako sa sarili ko. May saysay pa ba ang lahat ng ito? My spirit feels bored. Like I've been in the desert for so long. Sometimes, my life looks like a garden with no rain. Nagsiserve ako, nagdarasal, nagbibigay. But deep inside, everything feels dry. Ang mga pangarap at pag-asa ko noon, unti-unting nalalantang. May mga sandali, pakiramdam ko hindi ako nakikita. Hindi naririnig ang bulong ng puso ko. Hindi naririnig ang daing na isang taong binubuhay ang sarili at ang pamilya. Life is so unfair.
feel like I'm carrying roots. No one sees expectations, failures, rejection, unspoken hurts. I keep them all inside. Sa una, hindi ko napapansin. Hanggang sa mararamdaman ko na lang na pagod na ako. Gusto ko nang sumuko. Gusto ko nang bumitaw. Napapagod na ako. Pero syempre, humihingi pa rin ako. Nagpapatuloy. I long for healing. Bago ako lamunin ng sakit at galit sa puso ko.
Sometimes I feel the weight of things I try to hide. Past mistakes, grudges, habits I can't seem to break. They quietly cling to me. They seem small at first, but over time they grow. I see how pride, bitterness, and wrong choices shape the way I think and act. I want to do what's right. I want to grow, but I question, am I really moving forward? Or am I just being pulled back? Deep inside, I know I'm struggling. I know I'm wounded, and I fear that if I keep going on like this, I might slowly drift, not just from others, but from God as well.
Sometimes I feel trapped in expectations. Like I always have to prove myself, my progress, my abilities, and even my worth. Despite all my efforts, I still feel like I'm falling behind. And anxiety gets to me. I think about my future a lot. If I'll make it. If my parents are capable. If I'm capable. And if everything I'm doing will lead somewhere. So I try to take control, even when I'm not ready. But deep down, I just want to be me, to let go of the pressure, and to follow God without constantly questioning my life.
It's exhausting trying to keep up with everything and everyone. My family expects more, school demands more, and it feels like everyone else has life figured out. So I start to question myself. Am I doing enough? Will I even get there? I try to take control, even stepping into things I'm not ready for, like my romantic relationships, just to feel sure of something. But I end up more confused, and the pressure just doesn't stop. I want to grow, but instead, it feels like I'm stuck in a race I can't win.